$0 marketing burning problem 3. Consumer. Business Part 1. In this video, Zishan Akhtar shares a few techniques to increase your sales by understanding the changing behavior of customers. Key outcomes. Write down the mission of your company. Implement consumer intelligence to know your customers better. Enlist the ways to make consumers your loyal fans. Understand consumer signals and bring new solutions accordingly. In this video, Zishan Akhtar shares a few techniques to increase your sales by understanding the changing behavior of customers. Mr. Akhtar focuses on 4 powerful tools that will help entrepreneurs track the changing pattern of consumer buying behavior and convert it into sales. Important note number 1, mission. It is a statement that a company is known for. It is a brand promise that a company stands for. For example, e-commerce giant Amazon has designed its brand promise in such a way that it reflects its mission of providing everything that a customer thinks of buying online. Amazon's mission statement reads: "Our vision is to be Earth's most customer-centric company, to build a place where people can come to find and discover anything they might want to buy online." Important note number 2, customer intelligence. It refers to gathering data regarding customers' buying patterns, analyzing information gathered about customers, building an effective customer relationship strategy, improving decision-making according to data gathered. For example, Salmon has set up a system to gather data regarding customers' buying patterns. It helps manage the entire value chain of 70 factories spread across the country. This data allows the company to know whether all factories are working properly, whether employees are coming on time, whether work is delivered timely, gathering consumer intelligence data helps a company in the following ways. Manage a big supply chain. Keep track on the movement of inventory. O gain insight of consumer buying behavior. O launch new product according to customers' signals. Important note number 3, mechanics and tactics. Tactics help in taking strategic decisions in business. It helps direct all the efforts to get new customers. Pei used mechanics and tactics in such a way to develop an omni-channel growth approach. They identified and mobilized all the channels that can make new customers like sales team,